The blinking blue light on your Rogers modem indicates it's in WPS mode, attempting to pair with a device. This can happen unintentionally or get stuck, causing connectivity issues. WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup allows easy device pairing but can get stuck and cause connection problems. To immediately fix this, first locate the WPS button on your modem. Check your modem's manual or the Rogers Ignite app if unsure of its location. Press the WPS button again to cancel any ongoing pairing attempts. Next, unplug your modem for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This restarts the modem and clears the WPS session. After it restarts, manually reconnect your devices using your Wi-Fi password for a more secure and reliable connection, avoiding WPS altogether. If the blinking continues, use the Rogers Ignite app's Modem Health Check to remotely reset the WPS settings. While WPS offers convenience for connecting devices, it comes with significant security vulnerabilities. The pixie dust attack, for example, can exploit WPS to crack network passwords in just minutes. This makes your network susceptible to unauthorized access. Due to these security concerns, WPS is being phased out industry-wide. Experts, including those at Rogers, strongly recommend disabling WPS for better protection. Rogers has announced plans to disable WPS by default on all new modems starting in 2026. A solid blue light on your modem indicates normal operation. However, red or blinking red lights signal other issues, such as a lost internet connection. Monitoring these indicators helps you quickly identify problems. For long-term reliability, ensure your modem has the latest firmware. Rogers has released updates like version 7.1.2 for XB7 and XB8 models, which include better WPS timeout handling to prevent persistent issues. Consider switching to WPA3 encryption, which provides stronger security than older standards. Instead of relying on WPS, connect your devices manually using Wi-Fi passwords for maximum protection. If you continue experiencing issues, particularly in rural areas with weaker signals, contact Rogers support for personalized assistance. Their AI-assisted troubleshooting via the Rogers chatbot can provide quick diagnostics.